This 2020 Newmar Baystar 3008 Sport is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Curvel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, slide-out, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, external shower, self-contained, TV, microwave, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features full wall slide, mid-living area, rear bedroom. This 2020 Newmar Baystar 3008 Sport is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Curvel's RV.